How you doing? Boy, I'm a mess today, aren't I? But what do you say today we see if we can get this dirt bike exhaust on a chainsaw? Try to get this thing performing to whole new levels. You know what I mean? I think today I'm going to try to get it installed and started, but I don't think I'm going to have time to get it converted for alcohol yet. So let's see if we can get her installed and get her started. It should be quite interesting, you know? I'm excited to see what happens. She could end up flopping, you know, because these exhausts have to be tuned for the engine to a point, you know what I mean? You got a little wiggle room, but if they're off, it's not going to run right, you know? So let's see what happens. See if she starts and see how she behaves before, you know, we take her to the end. So I'm going to get to work getting this thing installed, and we'll catch you in a minute. Alrighty, she's on. You ready? Take a look at this. Hey, she's a Pro Circuit. You see it? It's a Pro Circuit exhaust mounted to a Homelite Super XL-925. She sticks out there pretty good, doesn't she? I don't have any brackets on it yet. I got to get some brackets made up, but she's on, and I'm going to start it and see what happens. I'm curious to see how it behaves. It could end up, you know, trying to shut itself off because the way these work, you know, you got a pulse wave that comes out, then you got a pulse wave that returns to the motor. And if you do it wrong, or if it's timed wrong, you know, it'll be a flop. So, what do you say? We go and give it a try. Alrighty. Oh yeah, baby. She runs good. Uh, I think we got a winner here. The low speed circuit was a little lean, just a little, but the high speed circuit is way rich right now. So that tells me we probably got a winner here. We won't know for certain until we take it and try to put it in wood. As you've seen from the video, it's pitch black outside. I probably just woke up the whole neighborhood, but I wasn't waiting. You know what I mean? I bet you everybody in the neighborhood was like, "What the heck is that?" That's all right by me though. Uh, it's an exciting day today. We got the pipe on. Pro circuit exhaust on a Homelite Super XL-925. I'm running it on regular fuel right now. I have not converted it over to alcohol yet. So that's the next step. And then we'll get her barred up and put into some wood and see what she does. You know? I can't wait. I can't wait until I get to see this thing just eat wood. You know? It's so cold outside that my wood's still frozen solid. So, we'll have to deal with it. Now, I might end up having to change out the bar and chain to a different one just because I'm going to try it with just a brand new chain. But I got a feeling that this saw might be a little too powerful for a factory sharpening. So I'm probably going to end up putting a different barn chain on it and sharpening it up and just keep digging them rakers deeper and deeper and deeper until I hit a point, find that sweet spot. Boy, I don't have many bars to choose from. I'll probably start out with a 20-inch bar whenever I do that process. Probably. I mean, I probably don't need any more than a 20-inch bar on that saw, but it's built for speed cuts, really. I'll unless I locate something, you know, I might even look at converting it to 404 or something to see if we can get her, eating more wood that way. I even got some vintage chain here, like 1/2 inch and so forth. Could always try something like that, right? I don't have any roller tip bars though that are run that 1/2 inch, so that might be an issue. I bet she'd eat some wood that way. It's curious to see how powerful she is. We could put it in the wood and it could just die in the cut, or I could put it in the wood and it could take off like nothing else, So we aren't going to know until we put it into the wood and give it a run, I'm excited though. Very excited. Can't wait to see this happen, It's going to be my first saw with the pipe, alcohol, the whole conversion and everything. And I'm curious to see how she goes. But all I got left to do is to make some brackets and get the carb converted over for alcohol. And I'm definitely going to have to drill it out to allow for more, fuel flow. But we're getting closer. We're getting a lot closer. She sounds good though. Boy, I wish you could have been here. Boy, does it sound good. It's got that, 2-stroke whap to it you just expect, Oh, it sounds so good. Can't wait till you guys get to see it in person down there at Hopperstock, Muffler and I, Muffler Delete 101, we're going to race them. So, who's going to win? It might be the one who survives. You know what I mean? It might just be the saw that survives is the winner. You never know how that stuff comes. But yeah, if you see us down out of Hopperstock, we're gonna race our saws, Muffler and I, 'cause we both built them. So let's see what happens. We're talking about taking bets and donating everything to charity. So, you want to throw a buck on a bet and say which saw you think is going to win. We're just going to take the money and donate it to a charity of some sort. We haven't got that far figured out, but it's coming. We'll get there. Hey, we'll catch you on the next one. Later.